Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I am going to be making a pumpkin juice, but this time it's going to be a raw pumpkin juice. So guys, I'm going to be using a blue pumpkin. You mostly find this pumpkin up in Queensland, and I'm going to be using some apple, cinnamon and vanilla. So I'm going to get to work to cut my pumpkin. So let's get into that. So guys, I'm going to quickly cut this pumpkin. It is hard to cut. It is. I wish Tony was here to help me cut this pumpkin. I'm getting there. Ooh. So I'm gonna stick the knife in another part. And I tell you, this pumpkin is very hard to cut. It is. I hope it will look beautiful inside. So now, I think I've done it. So that's the pumpkin, guys. So I'm gonna get a few more slices of it. But and then what I'm gonna do, start doing my pumpkin juice. So there you have it, guys. So let's get into the juicing. I'm going to peel them, take the seeds out, and then, because those skin, the skin of this pumpkin, sure cannot go into my juicer. So let's get the seeds out. I tell you, the skins are so, it is so thick. My God. The skin is not like the ordinary pumpkin. It's different, guys. So guys, you know pumpkin have vitamin C and it helps with the collagen. It tightens the skin. So that's why I'm making the juice raw today. It also improves blood sugar level and it is spectacular for eyesight. Oh my goodness. Woo. The skin of this pumpkin is so tough. Guys, there you have it. I've finished cut up my pumpkin off camera. And I have my apples ready. So I'm going to get my juicer out and put everything together and keep the ball rolling. So guys, this juice also helps with weight loss. This amazing juice helps to detoxify the body and flush out toxins. Having this juice also ensure you have, it helps you to have a proper sleep. And guys, I tell you, it is so good. I've tried it already and it's nice. So guys, raw pumpkin is also low in calories and help to protect the liver and the kidney. And everyone should try and have half cup of pumpkin juice every day. This help guys, it help a lot. And guys, as you see, I'm using my Revo 830 juicer. I am enjoying using this juicer. It's easy to clean. So guys, I'm adding some pumpkin in, and I have 2 apples left to pop in. So guys, you will get vitamin B1, B2 and vitamin E from this drink. So guys, I hope you will try this drink and let me know in the comment section. I will list some more things about this pumpkin and you can read it in the description box. So guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up guys, share with a friend as always, and help us get to 10,000 subscribers guys. So guys, I'm gonna be making some more. So guys, now I'm making a second batch of juice. So I will be getting 2 bottles, 2 of the Cooling bottles from it, store in my refrigerator. So I'll keep loading my pumpkin and 2 more apples. Guys, I want to give a shout out to Cooking with Nicole. She's a member of my channel, so go on over and support her. So guys, my second batch is finished. Wow, look at that. Look how beautiful this drink look. Guys, I will be tasting my drink. That's a healthy way to go guys. I cannot wait to taste the drink as I love having this drink. And guys, I think the best way to have your juice is sometime raw, because I know you can cook it and you can blend it, but honestly you get a lot of benefit out of it this way. So guys, I'm gonna taste a bit of this juice. Tastes good guys, but guess what, I'm gonna add some vanilla and a dose of cinnamon powder. I'm just gonna store this bit over here. guys, I'm getting some ice. This is lovely. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video, guys. Bye for now. Have a great weekend. Hope you will try this pumpkin juice. This raw pumpkin juice.